Today we're using a product called TexWalk from Visionary Digital. I had a job come across my desk for 140 square metres of floor graphics. It's 70 metres long by 2 metres wide. That needed to be literally laid down for the best part of 3 weeks. It's a brilliant product, it's durable, it's easy to lay, it prints really well, backing sheets remove well, and talking about removal, you know, that's a big plus at the end of the day because it is easy to get off. I've been using Visionary Digital for the last 10 years now. Tom and his team are fantastic to work with. It's easy. It's more importantly, he'll race things out. He's always got stock. Yeah, it's just simple. Obviously the rainbow's gone down. It's a great initiative for the gay and lesbian Mardigras, which we support heavily. It's an absolute privilege to be a part of this campaign.
Happy Mardigras!